in this video. This is why you need to buy Bitcoin during these times, and at the same time, we are going to give an update with the very short term. Well, stay tuned to know more. Do you want to learn the strategy that I use for my day-to-day trading? Then make sure to check out our Gaps Crypto 101 playlist. You can start learning how to trade in the cryptocurrency market all for free, and the link is available in the description down below. And if you want to start opening an account with any crypto trading platform, make sure to trade this guys with Femex and Bybit, as they have one of the lowest fees possible in the cryptocurrency market. And if you use our affiliate links, you can get up to 20,000 US dollars of bonuses when you are going to deposit with those trading platforms, and the links are available in the description down below. So now let's dive into this video. So hi guys, and welcome back to another Gabs cryptocurrency video where we trade by data and not by hype. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out videos like this. So yeah, for today's video, I wanted to talk about two things dito. Number one, it is for the longer time frame, why this is the best time, or actually one could be one of the last times for you na para makabili ng Bitcoin. Then the other one is we're going to discuss this short-term movement na nangyayari ngayon and what have we expecting, and ano ba yung next move dito with the Bitcoin price action. So with that being said, let's now dive in first why you need to buy Bitcoin now. So as you can see, ang pinakang overall trend na nga natin dito is this golden cross, which is this one, wherein the 200-day moving average is magkakaroon siya ng cross sa 50-day moving average. And historically speaking, whenever na we are seeing those bullish cross, ay na yung mga crosses na yan, Bitcoin tend to play bullish for some quite of times from mid-term to long-term. So as you can see right now, we are now about to form that next golden cross. So in that case, that is one of the good times na magkakaroon na tayo ng bullish movement kay Bitcoin. But take note guys, even in the previous times, even during a bullish cross, we might see ito, tingnan nyo to. After a bullish cross, nagkaroon tayo ng one last dump to the downside. So this is telling us na we could see a one last dump, or actually we are now seeing that one last dump na nga nangyayari dito, and this could be one of the last times for you to buy Bitcoin. Now, we also need another confirming indicator na nagsasabi na bullish na tayo, and that is the stochastic RSI, which I wanted to show you. If you are going to open this in the weekly, of course, it is bearish in the weekly. But for the longer time frame, much longer time frame, it is right now forming a bullish cross dito in the monthly time frame. So this is indicating, or this is telling us na in the monthly time frame, we are now bullish with the Bitcoin price action, and we are now expecting a long-term bullish reversal. And this is telling us na the bear market has already finished na nga following this indicator, as well as the potential golden cross. The golden cross is the final confirmation dito para magsabi na we are now in a long-term bull market at wala na tayo sa bear market. So this is what I am currently monitoring guys. This is why I'm telling you na right now this is one of the best time to buy Bitcoin. This is also now one of the most crucial moments kasi patapos na yung mga bearish indicators. It's right now leaning towards the bullish indicators. So right now, it's actually a time for you to buy Bitcoin. So kahit anong mangyari, I am right now buying Bitcoin on Bybit. And take note guys, lahat ng mga long-term position ko na kay Bybit. So make sure to trade guys kay Bybit when you are trading for the long term. And if you're now buying Bitcoin, make sure na you are buying this on Bybit guys. But yeah, yun yung nakikita natin dito for the long term. Now, let's talk about the very short term dito. Yung ano yung na-expect natin recently. So, 'di ba, sa previous video, minention ko nga dito na meron tayo nagpo-form na resistance area, and 'di ba, previously nag-open tayo ng long position because meron nga tayong golden cross dito, or sorry, may bullish cross sa stochastic RSI. But 'di ba sabi ko sa inyo, you have to watch out this resistance area, and thankfully nung nag-open tayo ng long position, kinlose natin yung long position natin dito guys. Kinlose natin yung long position. I mentioned that in the Messenger group chat as well as my Instagram channel. Sinabi ko na kinlose ko yung long position ko. So, as you can see, after that, nagkaroon tayo ng pagbagsak. So, na-secure natin yung profits dito with Bitcoin price action. Now, from what we have been expecting, ang ina-expect sana natin was for this to play within the 50 and 200 day moving average. But as you can see right now, it seems like, 'di ba sabi ko dito, after nitong magpe-play between the 50 and 200 day moving average, saka tayo makita ng bearish cross, 'di ba? But right now, it looks like na mauunahan na nga to at nag-start to mag-play yung bearish movement dito. It is because of the weekly time frame, bearish cross nga. And as you can see, this red candlestick is bigger than the green candlestick, so this is indicating a bearish reversal lang nga. So another crucial thing na kailangan natin i-watch out dito is the Fibonacci. Kasi 'di ba, recently nagkaroon na tayo ng downtrend dito, nagkaroon na tayo ng dump dito kay Bitcoin. But the question is, ano ba yung mga certain support areas na we have to monitor? So this is the Fibonacci retracement. If you're going to plot a Fibonacci retracement from the previous high to the lowest low, you will find that we are now at a support area dito. So let's see kung ano mangyari dito kay Bitcoin. If it will consolidate dito between the 75k and between the 79k dito. So right now, I am not going to open any short-term trades for the time being. I will be waiting this one out. If ever na magkaroon tayo ng candle closes below the support area, then I will be adding on buying more Bitcoin dito. I have a buy order at the 70,000 nga dito. So right now, 70k is one of the remaining buy orders na meron ako kay Bitcoin. Yung initial buy orders ko was at 79,000 and 76,000. So, 79 and 76 na fill na sila parehas. Ngayon, yung remaining buy order ko for the long term is actually here at the 70k. So, kahit ano mangyari, panalo tayo dito. Kasi as you can see, nag-DCA tayo pababa dito ng pababa kay Bitcoin. So, kahit bumaba siya, it doesn't matter. We are buying Bitcoin. But as you can see, if ever na umakit man siya tapos hindi na natin na-meet yung 70k, then that is also fine. Kasi at least meron na tayong dalawang entry position na nga dito for the long-term long position. So, as you can see, I've been buying Bitcoin and then I am also opening a long position kay Bybit. So, make sure to also trade that in Bybit kasi kay Bybit pwede kayo mag-DCA when it comes to futures trading. So, that is why I am currently trading this with Bybit. But yeah, ayun guys, ayun yung mga pinag-usapan natin. Let's see if mababreak niya tong 75k, and if mabreak niya yung 75k, then we are going to eye 70,000 US dollars dito. But for now, wala tayong short-term trades. We are just going to wait this one out. And by the way, yung Apple Watch SE giveaway natin has been moved yung deadline date niya. Initially, deadline date niya was May 20. Right now, i-move ko siya to June 22. And yeah, if you want to check this one out, make sure to check out my previous video. Nakalagay dun yung sign up link for the Apple Watch SE giveaway. But yeah, I guess that's all for the time being. If you find this video useful and informative, please give this video a like, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye for now.